Hello. So I'm sharing my screen, and today we will discuss what we will discuss today. Let me explain first. We will discuss about Docker. That Docker is of Cloudera Docker. We'll set up this Docker in local machine. Local machine means I have this Ubuntu 18.04. So I will configure my Docker for this, and then we'll run Hadoop GUI, that is called Hue, and one database that is called Hive. So all these, other softwares are also, these all softwares come into this Docker. It's a bundle of softwares required for this big data development. So once you set up Docker in your local machine, there is for the beginning there is nothing to install more than that. Just install it, install Docker, and you can start your development. You can have, you are having all the required softwares. That means, so let me yeah, here is the terminal. So in terminal, just if you have any Docker, so you can remove it or you can install it. So the first thing we will do is we'll write sudo apt get update. So it will update our command. It is updating. Here it is. So after that, we just write apt cache addition Docker C. So that is downloaded now. So now you can select any one of that. Just select this can select this one, and then you write here like sudo apt get, and then paste it. Not paste it, sorry. So Control Shift C, and here just do it Control Shift V. Valid. Okay. Then select this one. Let's see whether it is available or not. Sudo apt get let it be happen. Okay. Install. Okay, let me check at my end. So before just skip that, and let me run one docker hello world. That's good, got permission. Okay, sudo docker run. Docker is not installed in my system. Okay, let me check. Should run. Okay, it started. Okay, let me write another command, sudo Cloudera QYCK quick start. Quick start. Let's see that. Cloudera quick start. So it will pull the latest image of Cloudera Docker. Yeah, so it is there. That's good now. Now let's run that. So these are the images installed in my system, already installed in my system. So if you see here, Cloudera Docker is already installed here. So that is why my earlier command was not working. Yeah. So here this one is Cloudera Docker already installed. This image is already installed. Okay. So now we need to run that image. So for running, let me copy some commands so that I can run. Here is the Docker command. So I will run this command. Will go in. Yeah. So here this is the predefined command. You can find it in blocks of Cloudera. So here if you see, this is the image path, this is the port, all the ports we are going to open, and all the privileges we are going to open. So this is a predefined, and all the memory 4G, and we are running this. So once this command runs, then it install all the required software for cloud for big data development, like Zookeeper. If you can see here, Zookeeper is started. So other all required softwares get installed. Not get installed, will be available for our use. So it is happening there. So this U server is also getting started. Hadoop got installed. Spark, if you see, Spark server also got started. So Hadoop is there. So all required softwares get installed, and not get installed. I would better to say it becomes available in our local system. Impala, If you have any questions, you can put in chat box. Yeah, so it got started. That's right. Yeah. So now the first thing we will see is we will see whether that Cloudera is started or not. So for that purpose, we will write have a new terminal and then write whether it is started or not. Although it is started here, we can see it is already started, root quick start. So this simply is that everything is okay and it got started. So if you can see this Cloudera Docker status up, so it is started 4 minutes back. So and what is the container ID? The container ID is this. So this becomes your container ID. So now we need to inspect it. So first you copy this container ID, Control Shift, and then you write sudo docker inspect. So here if you can see, here is the IP address and port number for the Cloudera Docker, I mean the web view. So you can just open in browser, you can open and interact with all those things. So let me open one browser here, and in browser you just type this 8088. So it is opening now. Let's see what happens.